So you want to learn to read market structure. So this market right is on an uptrend. Why it's on an uptrend is because, okay, let me show a simple way of, hold on. Okay, so you can also do this, but I'm very uncomfortable with doing this, but some people feel comfortable with adding this thing and they start seeing how the market has been moving. But personally, I always prefer candlesticks. Okay, so let's go back to candlesticks. Well, this market is on an uptrend because it's currently moving like this. If you look, it's making higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, higher high, lower low, then higher high, and it's gonna shoot up. So high high, lower lows, if you actually pay attention to the word, you can see it literally tells you that that's an uptrend because the higher high is right here. This is our high high, this level, our high high, this is our lower high, then a higher high. The reason it's called the high high is because it's above the previous high. If it was below, it wouldn't be called the high high. So this high is already above the previous high, then this higher low is also above the previous low, and this one is also above the previous high, so higher high. But then this one here changed the character in so if it broke past this level, this now makes it a downtrend. It has changed characters. Now here it's now on a downtrend, but then reversed up, went all the way up and broke past this level here, then it again made it a higher an uptrend, then came back lower high, it's also above this one. So yeah, this is an uptrend, so you should look for buys in this trade. Hold on. Boom. All right, so don't mind this line, I just put it there for some reason, nothing related to trading. But anyways, like I said, every time frame has its own trend. So if you come here, this is on a 1 hour time frame. Now on a 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market here is on a downtrend. If you look right here, you can see that it's making lower lows. It's breaking past all those levels. See that? So yeah, the market moved from here, went lower and lower, then just going higher, then here it turned into an uptrend. So yeah, back to candlesticks. So here it's now on a downtrend. Then here, after it broke past this level right here, like this, that now made it an uptrend. So the market changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So around this level, it would be nice to look for sells. Then after it crosses this level, it's better looking for buys. So yeah, that's how it is. So if a market does this, so do you think this is an uptrend or is a downtrend? This, well, let you guess. Okay, well, the answer is this is an uptrend. The reason it's an uptrend is because it keeps on breaking past the previous higher highs. It broke past this higher high, broke past this higher high, then here as well it also broke past this higher high. So this is automatically an uptrend. So now what if the market did this? Yeah, I'll show you. Did this, okay, let me add that. Yeah, what if the market did this? Is it still an uptrend or it's a downtrend? Well, the correct answer is this is now a downtrend, because if you come here, the market broke past this level, making it an uptrend. Then it broke past this level as well, making it an uptrend. But then instead of breaking past this level right here, it failed to do that. But so the market reversed down, then it broke past the previous higher low. So this automatically makes it a downtrend after it broke past this level right here. So this is a downtrend. As soon as it breaks below this level, that makes it a downtrend. If it breaks above this, then that makes it an uptrend. but our market failed to go below that. So yeah, and this is how you confirm trends. Here's how you know trend directions and stuff. So yeah, let's now apply a strategy, then see if we can take a trade. So I don't see anything in gold, so I'm gonna go to Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD looks very nice. So like I said, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So the market came like this. Australian first, come here. So if you look at these levels, yeah, they keep breaking past each other. This one broke past. Yeah, this level broke past the previous high, and this one hasn't yet done it, but I feel like it's going to do it. So let me just play this stuff and you see if it does it, then you can wait for the next retracement, then you can buy. It's a very, very good example. Look, high, high, lower, low, high, high, lower, low, then it's gonna go up. So this is an uptrend. But if it breaks past this level, then that makes it a downtrend. So I'm going to 1 hour time frame, and I'm gonna play this. Let's see how it goes. Resting is very slow. Then put 4 hours. Okay. A better placement would have been here. So I want it to like come up. That's a retracement here, then I buy all the way up. Okay, so now I want to ask you, is this an uptrend or is it a downtrend? Look where the market has reached. Is this an uptrend or is it a downtrend? Well, this is still an uptrend because it failed to break past a candlestick close, not the week. It's supposed to be a candlestick close. Let's see also. The reason why it's supposed to be a candlestick close is because if you put on the week like this, then the market reaches let me see. Yeah, if you put on the week, then the market reaches this level here, and you're like, hold on, you see this level right here, and you're like, oh, it's not just a downtrend because the market has broken past a level. Well, if we go on this kind of charts, line charts, the wicks don't appear there, so that's not really considered as a genuine level. So yeah, I like to set my key levels at the candlestick closes. Sometimes, not every single time. Okay, most of the times, but it depends how the market is like. Okay. So this is still an uptrend. Okay. So the market has broken structure over here at this level. Came like this. So basically the move has gone like this. And it's gonna continue going all the way up. Let's wait until it goes. Okay, now I'm going for retracement, then I can buy here. Keep going. Okay. This would have been a great place to buy. This would have been a great place to buy. But let's wait and see. I want it to come back down. I want it to like reach at this level here. Let's keep going. Okay, the market is coming back down. All right. So the market has touched this level. He has not a better place to look for buys. So let me wait a bit. I need to get like a confirmation. All right, let's go on a lower time frame, maybe 15. You can see that the market has had strong momentum to the upper side. If you go on a 5 minute, so it consolidates a little bit over here like this, but then made a breakout retest. So a good entry would have been around here, like this. Back to the higher time frame, all the way up. Then I'm gonna set it higher because it's an uptrend. So a place where I like set my stop loss, I like set my stop loss at the most. Okay, like I was also saying here, I like to set at the most recent point where the candlestick stopped at. Then I give it some room. So I basically say somewhere here like this. Then you can go. Actually, let me put it higher because you haven't yet got a liquidity sweep. But if you have got a liquidity sweep, then yeah, you can set to whatever place you feel like. So let's see how this trade goes. So now there goes the liquidity sweep. See why I don't want to put it here closer, because the liquidity sweep had not yet happened. But now that it has happened, I'm now safe to even bring it closer to somewhere here. I'm not saying you should do it. It's up to you. I just feel safe putting it there. Not gonna lie, I think I should take it back. Let's see how that trade goes. This thing stopping. Let me play again. Okay, let's go. Okay. What the hell? So this is market open. You can even see the time, 21. That's at market open. If you're gonna lower time frame, you can see it better. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So gaps usually happen at market open or close. So yeah. Come on. Go up. Yes, sir. Go. Okay, well, he might take profit 1. Usually I put my take profit 1 at a recent level there. Let's now see if it's gonna go higher. Come on, brace was so close. Look at this. Look at that. Let's consider it hit, but let me just leave it to keep going. Yes, sir. And our take profits has been hit just like that, following the strategy of uptrend, downtrend, and support levels. So yeah, this was our support level right there in yeah. High time frame once again. Let me clear all of this so you can have a better look at this. So if you see this, our market has been making uptrends. This is basically an uptrend. And I'm also kind of seeing a channel over here like this. I'm kind of seeing a channel. So yeah, you could also trade it like this. It's also going to work, same thing. Actually, this is an easier way. This would be an easier way because as soon as you don't have to draw support lines, all that stuff, stressing yourself, as soon as it reaches here, boom, you just buy. Let me